When it rains, it pours, as the old saying goes, and the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra official sizes are likely already here. This is just a few days after the company officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 and a ton of other products, after months of relative quiet on the rumor and gossip front. This appears to be as official as these tidbits can get in the relatively early stages of a new phone's development, purportedly originating from certification documents that may or may not be final, but that definitely look legitimate and sound accurate. The battery information regarding the two larger members of Samsung's early 2024 flagship family is also breaking cover. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to keep its predecessor's 5,000 mAh battery capacity, unless Samsung decides to make a last-minute change for some reason, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is almost certainly going to increase its battery capacity from the 4,700 in the S23 Plus to 4,900 mAh. These are the usual figures that the firm is likely to use for marketing reasons. Technically, they correspond to 4755 mAh for the S24 Plus and 4855 mAh for the S24 Ultra. It's vital to bear in mind that the middle kid in Samsung's next-generation ultra-high-performance handset series is also anticipated to increase its predecessor's screen diagonal up from 6.6 to 6.65 inches before you get too enthusiastic about the S24 Plus' apparent improvement. Although it's clearly way too early to draw any firm conclusions, this shows that the actual real-life battery endurance improvement may turn out to be pretty little. The same is true for the Ultra battery, which may or may not result in the same operating periods between charges, particularly with a new and better Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU inside that may or may not have increased energy efficiency. In other words, there are still far too many unknowns concerning the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra for us to forecast how delighted you will be with the user experience in comparison to the already extremely pleasing Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.